Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in this little Ford Transit Connect Courier, and the OBD port is not working, it has no power. So we're going to look into that and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get into it. So when we come into our little Transit Connect here, we plug in our OBD reader just here, and it has no flashing lights, so that means it's not connecting to our unit. So the OBD port has no power. So what we need to do is, this one actually comes with the manual, and if we look in here, we are going to be looking for fuses that power the OBD port. And if we look down the list of fuses here, we can see data link connector, a 10 amp fuse in location fuse 19. So in the passenger compartment fuse box, we want fuse 19, which is this one here. So we need to go around the other side. So if we come around the passenger side and we pull the glove box down, so when you open the glove box, you have these two little tabs on either side. Push them inwards and the whole glove box comes down. So now we can see in here. So if we look at our fuse diagram, we want fuse 19, which is this one here, third row in, third one up. So if we go along here, third row in, third one up, this 10 amp fuse right here. So if we pull this fuse out, and we can clearly see that that is blown. So we're going to get ourselves a brand new 10 amp fuse. These are micro fuses, and we're going to pop that in. And you heard that beep just there. That means the data link connector is now connected. So let's go and double check. So as we can see here, it is now lit up green. Turn our ignition on. And now we can go ahead and we're just going to make sure that it connects to the ECU correctly. It's found the vehicle, Ford 2018 model, and we can go in. We're using a topped-on Phoenix Plus. So there we have it, it's connected. These are all the ECUs, and what we can actually do is run a smart scan, and we can see why the engine management light is on. Let's see our data link connector. It's flashing blue, which means it's all good and working. And we've got a couple of fault codes coming up here. So in IPC, instrument panel control module, missing communication with the body control module. And in the body control module, left low beam, so the headlight's not working. And particulate filter deterioration substrate missing bank 1, which means we have a problem with our either regeneration or the particulate filter, but that will be a video for the future. So there you have it. If your OBD port is not working in Transit Connect Courier, then this is the process you want to take, and you want to check your fuses and make sure they're all good. And if that one is blown, replace it and then test it again. It should be fine. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.